But we're going to begin with this because this could be a very big day for teenagers and their parents in the fight against COVID and that Omicron variant. The FDA is considering whether to authorize booster shots for 16 and 17-year-olds. Now, if that happens, about 8.3 million teenagers could become eligible. With CDC approval, those teens may be able to get that booster as soon as this week. More than 200 million Americans are now fully vaccinated, but barely 1/4 of those eligible have gotten that booster. Nikki Battiste is here with more on the story. Nikki, good morning to you.
Gayle, good morning. New cases of daily COVID infections have soared from 95,000 a day just 2 weeks ago to almost 120,000. And deaths are averaging more than 1,000 a day. That's why the government says now is the time to provide as many tools as possible to Americans to protect themselves and loved ones from the virus. And that includes some of the youngest. In the fight against COVID and its latest variant, Omicron, American adults are stepping up in larger numbers to get vaccinated. But it's teenagers who may be called upon next, adding more urgency for government approval for 16 and 17-year-olds to get boosters. It's been about 9 months since that age group was first eligible, and studies have shown that immunity provided by the vaccines begins to wane around 6 months.
If you get the booster, you're really in good shape.
On Wednesday, President Joe Biden hailed the latest data from Pfizer, which shows getting the booster will significantly enhance protection against the new Omicron variant. Pfizer Chief Scientific Officer Dr. Michael Dolston.
It is as effective as 2 doses of the Pfizer vaccine was against Delta and original strains.
The problem, only 26% of eligible Americans have gotten the booster so far. Just over 24% of those who can get the vaccine haven't gotten a single dose. Fueled by the Delta variant, 4 states are currently seeing record hospitalizations compared to any point during the pandemic. But there was a major positive step for the immunocompromised Wednesday. The FDA granted emergency use authorization yesterday for AstraZeneca's monoclonal antibody treatment, intended to provide protection against COVID-19 to those who have a low immune response and can't get the vaccine.
This is an enormous step forward for a part of the population. One infusion can last up to a year and provide protection for the immune suppressed. And this is the first treatment for immune suppressed patients and really opens an avenue for them to go back to some life where they can be with their family, be with their friends.
AstraZeneca has agreed to sell the U.S. government 700,000 doses of its monoclonal antibody treatment. The government has indicated it plans to distribute the doses to states and territories at no cost. We'll take any hopeful news we can get.
Yeah, indeed. Nikki, thank you very much.